Hello guys, today I will be teaching y'all how to make godly thumbnails like your boy. Sorry for not uploading any videos for a long time, it's just that doing online school and uploading is pretty hard, but on weekends expect double uploads. And for those of you that are wondering when Noob to Pro Season 2 is coming, it's coming on this week's Saturday. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first step is to search up Photopea. If you are too lazy, the link of Photopea is in the description. Okay, step 3, click on the new project button, then name your thumbnail. I will call mine Epic Gamer, don't ask why. Anyway, set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels because YouTube only allows that size or smaller, and finally set the background to transparent. Now hit create. Now step 3, let's find a background for our godly thumbnail. I will just be getting a space background. Okay, we back now. To get it into Photopea we need to press the file button, the open in place. Now just select your image and double tap on it. Also make sure that your background image is 1280 by 720 pixels or higher, so it covers the whole screen and it looks high quality. Now let's add some effects. Go to filter, then click the blur, and then select radial blur. Now just adjust the amount to what you want. I will go with 50. Now it's looking pretty sick. Now let's adjust the color of this image because why not? First go to image, then click hue and saturation. Now adjust it to your liking. I think this is looking pretty good. Step 4, now let's get our character for this thumbnail. I will be getting Mike Wazowski to make this extra epic. Remember to add PNG to this, because then the background will be transparent. Wow, he is looking really good. So let's save this image and insert it into Photopea. Remember to insert images into Photopea, go to file, and then click open and place. Now that my guy is in, let's resize him, so he is bigger. Hold shift so while resizing him, you can keep the same proportions but bigger. Not gonna lie, it's like he is piercing into my soul. I got an incredible idea, let's make this man into Thanos. So let's remove his ears, cause these days no one needs ears, am I right? Just kidding.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god!
But first let's change the color of my guy, so he looks like Thanos. Remember, click image, then adjustments, and then hue and saturation. Now to change the color of him, click the colorize button, readjust it to your liking. Now he is looking extra purple, so now to remove his ears, cause as I said no one needs ears. Go to the eraser tool and adjust the size. I will keep it at 15, and now let's rub out his ears. Remember, if you make a mistake just click Ctrl and Z, and if you want to redo something click Ctrl Y. Now that his ears are gone, let's get him his gauntlet. Okay, now let's insert the gauntlet into photo P. Now position and resize to your liking. Okay guys, now our Mike Wazowski has his gauntlet. Let's give him some lens flare eyes to make him epic.
Huh?
Let's choose one and use it for our thumbnail. Okay guys, now have a lens flare here, so let's place it on his eyes. Let's duplicate the layer by right clicking on the layer of the lens flare and press duplicate layer. Now position the other lens flare to the eye. Epic. Now let's make both of these layers one by right clicking on the lens flare and click merge down. Also you need to do it with the lens flare on top of the other. Now let's add some anim line, because I don't know, I just want them. Let's choose a one we like. Let's choose this one. Let's insert this into photo P. Oops, I added the wrong thing. Let's get to the anim line. Let's move our anim lines behind Mike Wazowski. Now let's add some JoJo menacing things. Let's choose one. I'm liking this one, so let's insert this into photo P. Now let's resize to our liking. I will also duplicate it and place them around Mike. Wazowski is looking pretty menacing. Get it anyways, let's some text to finally finish this incredible thumbnail. To get text, click on the text button, then adjust the size and font. I like this font called Great Lakes GF, then click anywhere on the screen and type what you want. Let's type I'm a god, because Mike Wazowski is a god, just kidding, but it's funny I think. Now let's change the color, and give the text a outline. First, to give the text an outline, we click on the stroke button, then change the color to white. Now let's give it a gradient. To do this, we click the gradient overlay, then go to the gradient and click the drop down button and select a one you like. To reposition the text, go to edit, then free transform and reposition and resize if you want. Now we have finally finished making this thumbnail, and this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe please, this took me over 4 hours to edit. Lol, see you guys in the next one, bye.